Summer barbecue ideas for everyone. Having a summer barbecue is a fun way to bring people together, whether neighbors, work colleagues, or family. A barbecue in the summer is the ideal way to do it. It's the causal atmosphere, the games you play, and the food you eat which will bring you all together and create amazing happy memories. With all the different diets out there that everyone is on these days, it's so hard to know what to serve. But this summer barbecue menu is sure to please anyone who comes, and it'll be easy to put together too. Summer barbecue menu. The components of the menu are the same no matter what time of year you have a barbecue, but the results will be different due to the hot weather and the awesome variety of plant food that is available. Components of a barbecue menu: appetizers and snacks, main protein, veggie sides, starchy sides, dessert, drinks. The easiest thing to do about this is to state in your invitations that you'll supply the main protein, water, and a variety of juice and soda. Then let everyone bring something that you choose for them to bring. Just tell them in the invite something like, "Please bring enough 7-layer dip to feed 4 people." Alternatively, in the case of 7-layer dip, you can ask each person to bring part of the recipe and make it together at the event. Let's fill out this menu more by adding a few items under each category. There are links to recipes too, but you can always use your own. Just use this to get some ideas for your own menu. Appetizers and snacks. 7-layer dip. Here is a good 7-layer dip recipe from minimalistbaker.com. It's easy to put together and perfect to feed to anyone. No one will miss the meat. Don't tell anyone it's vegan and no one will even care. https://minimalistbaker.com/vegan 7-layer Mexican dip. For those who need a low-carb option, here is a great recipe from ibreatheimhungry.com. This recipe is full of flavor and very creative. It's a little harder to make, but it's laid out easily here. https://www.ibreatheimhungry.com/keto 7-layer dip Mexican bean-free low-carb /chips for dip. Ask people to bring a variety of chips to share with others. Veggies for dip. Ask people to bring a variety of veggie trays for the different dips. Main protein hot dogs. You can use any type of hot dog that you want to, but to make a hot dog extra special, ensure that you have all the fixings to go with it so people can make theirs how they like it. Also provide a mixture of beef, turkey, pork and vegan choices. Hamburgers. The same thing can be done for your hamburgers. Offer traditional types but also offer choices like Beyond Meat, which is a vegan option that truly cooks like and tastes like a beef burger. https://www.beyondmeat.com. Veggie side. Spinach strawberry salad. You can make this easily on the day of the event or even the day before. However, don't add any dressing until you are ready to serve it to avoid any over-wilting of the salad. This recipe from allrecipes.com is simple and easy to do. https://www.allrecipes.com/recipe/16409/spinach and strawberry salad /starchy sides potato salad. This potato salad recipe from Jerlandthekitchen.com is vegan, but don't tell anyone because it is full of flavor, and due to its mustard-based dressing it won't go bad as quickly as the more mayonnaise-centered choices. Even so, remember to set your bowl of this deliciousness over ice to keep it cold. https://Jerlandthekitchen.com healthy vegan but add a salad with mustard dressing deviled eggs since you left out the eggs in the potato salad to account for your non-egg eating friends while keeping the flavor. It's nice to add some deviled eggs to the barbecue choices. These low-carb friendly deviled eggs from ThatLowCarbLife.com are to die for. HTTPS ThatLowCarbLife.com Deviled eggs equals dessert strawberry shortcake. This strawberry shortcake sheet cake makes it easy to serve shortcake to your entire crowd at your barbecue this summer. The recipe here from SixSistersStuff.com is easy to follow and most of all delicious. https://www.sixsistersstuff.com/recipe/strawberry shortcake sheet cake/vanilla ice cream. This one is simple because you can just buy the ice cream. Consider trying a vegan option so that your vegan friends can enjoy it too. Don't worry, today's vegan ice creams taste so good you won't miss anything. Try So Delicious dairy-free cashew milk ice cream, and you'll be amazed at the creamy goodness. Drinks infused water. Set up a container for self-serve with ice, water, and cucumber slices. Alternatively, you can use any fruit that you'd like to make the water more beautiful to look at as well as tastier to drink. Soda. Put a variety of small cans or bottles in ice so that everyone can get a cold one and not waste as much. The smaller cans or bottles will also be easier to carry for everyone. They can always get more. Infused tea. Make some tea and add slices of lemon or oranges to the tea with lots of ice and let everyone self-serve. A tip to make iced tea taste the best is to follow brewing instructions and use lots of ice. You can also let everyone bring their own drinks too. If you want to include alcoholic drinks, ask on your invitation request that everyone brings their own bottle BYOB to share with others at the party. Now that you have your menu, it's time to get the invitations out so that you can get a head count, know what people are bringing, and set everything up. Your summer barbecue is going to be amazing with these ideas.
I know that you like it like that. I wear designer, check the name on the tag. White fox fur on my jacket. Excuse me, that's a